Hi guys, reka mbereke ijoro rishize Ditza yararize mu ijoro cyane ararira ngo yanga kuryama turi saa saba z'ijoro, bya bindi njya mbigisha rero bya parenting uburyo nifata cyangwa uburyo nigisha umwana, urebe uburyo namuganirije kugeza mukuyemo bya bindi ntamukubise ntamutonganyije. Videwo ngiyi muyirebe yose kuri YouTube ni iminota mikeya muhite mubireba. Umwana urashobora kumwigisha kandi ukamuhana mu buryo bwiza utiriwe umukubita utanazamuye ijwi. Okay? Ngaho nimunyaruke mujye kureba. Did I hear someone crying?
I'm not sleepy.
What?
I'm not sleepy.
The fact that you are crying, that means you are sleepy. You know, sometimes when you are sleepy, you yeah, even right now, sometimes when you cry, try to yawn and see. Try to yawn.
No.
Try.
No.
No, I'm not saying to not try to. Try to yawn and see. You see? Almost. You were almost going to yawn. You can't cry. That's not a solution.
What did you say you wanted to do?
You can't watch at this time. You want to watch or to do what? I can't hear you. Leave your hands down. Remove your hands from your mouth. Go somewhere?
Where?
It's very late right now.
No, where
So,
do you
like,
want to
look at this one.
To the mall.
You want to go to the mall?
And do
The
what?
mall is closed. They close at 7 p.m. 8 p.m. You see the time over there? Is that 7? Hanagura your nose right now. Sit. Talk to me when you are sitting. So you are not sleepy? What do you want to do? You want to read? Fix your face.
Watching is not an option.
It's not an option at all. It's not an option. You want to do it? Nah, fix your face. Hey. You are Who yawns when they are crying? You are yawning when you are crying. That means you are very sleepy.
She stopped crying for a second and then
So time. Is anyone watching right now?
she just remembered her.
No one is watching. I let you stay like all the way to one. Yay! Ditza, I think you're a comedian. Are you a comedian? Do you get that from your uncle? Which one of your uncles is a comedian? Because I know there's one
Which one is the most
that
funny?
the one that you like. Which one? Is it the one in Africa? The one that she likes, her favorite. Like oh, why did I even not think about it?
Australia?
You like Shaddai more than the rest of your uncles? Tell me something Shaddai did funny. Sometimes he's funny. Did you know sometimes Shaddai is funny? What did he say the other day?
He put me down in a chair.
What? Was he trying to carry you with his strong arm or what? What did he do?
I don't know what else he did.
Do you think if Shaddai was here, he would let you watch at this time? Do you think he will let you watch at this time? What? Then I'm going to kick him out. Who is the boss in this house? 2 people are the bosses in this house. So you wanna go to Shaddai's and stay there?
And he usually isn't there.
You can stay in his house and watch the entire time. You want that? Yeah. So here, is the mother watching? Yawn. You can yawn properly and finish. Don't yawn halfway. Yawn. Try to yawn all the way. What did I tell you last time? When you cry, do things change? What happened when you cry? Hmm? Nothing. You know, who is the drama queen in this house? You. Yeah, you make stuff up. When you want something, you start crying and making it a big, big, big deal. Drama, 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 drama.
I literally.
You think it's going to work? Do you think it's gonna go walk with me?
I literally just finished.
No.
And then she starts. She was just laying down on the bed. And I'm
Yeah.
like, okay. Go
And
to
Daddy
bed.
just
And then-
prayed.
And she was.
Daddy
laying down
just
on the
prayed,
bed, and
Rena.
then She started crying. And she was like, I don't really want to go to sleep right now.
You need to stop with the drama. Okay? You hear me? Yeah, you need to stop that. It's not going to work, and then it's not a solution. Are you a baby? How old are you?
4.
You are 4. 4. Show me with your fingers. 4. Not 1, not
You're
2,
gonna be one of the older
not
kids
3.
in my class.
I know. Imagine. Because you want them to send you to the babies, like to daycare, where they, no, daycare, because there's some kids, like somewhere where they take care of babies. We can find a baby bottle for you and a pacifier. Would you want that? So don't start those drama, okay? Sometimes you get in bed and you don't feel like you are sleepy, but you are sleepy. Then you have to lay down, think about all the good things. Think about your friends, think about God, think about Jesus. You see? How many times did you yawn right now? More than 4.
4.
Yeah, 4.
And
Oh,
you're 4.
and you are 4.
3. You're 3.
You yawned 3 times? No, the first one was before I came. Second one, I was here. Third one, few minutes ago. And that was the 4th. Maybe you can yawn one more before you sleep. I need to see that smile before you sleep. Because your aunties are going to see this.
Smile.
Show them that cute smile of yours. Oh, you want me to tickle you? I'm gonna tickle you because I know you are ticklish and I know you're tickling. Spat. Let's see. Is it here? Here. Over there is small. Is it here? Is it behind your ears? I know something here. Oh, it's not there. I remember seeing. Oh my gosh. You need to stop the drama, okay? Listen, that pillow, why do you put it there? Put it on this side so she won't fall. Ditza,
It's charging my
don't do
phone.
that again, okay? Did it change anything, the crying? No. So don't do it. Don't even bother to try and do it. Okay? Yeah. That cute face of yours, you can't have a cute face like that and cry.
Scoot
No.
over here next to me. Scoot.
That's a bad idea. Okay? Good night. I love you. Do the I love you thing. I wanna see. Do this. Do it. I start. I love. Yeah, you see, I love you too. You're a comedian. You need to have your own show because you're a comedian.
These are the drama queen.
Bye, Mama. I love you. Night, night.
Nighty night.
Night, night. Ditza nyamahimba. You know what they call that in my language? Amahimba. Ufite amahimba menshi. Yeah?